In professional window cleaning, speed and safety mean everything. Extension poles give you both, letting you reach windows faster while keeping you off the ladder. But the most important question, what pole is best for you? Extension poles are made of three main materials: aluminum, fiberglass, and carbon fiber. Aluminum poles are the workhorses. They're affordable, durable, and a great choice for smaller jobs. We have aluminum options from 2 feet up to 30 feet, and most skilled cleaners will feel comfortable up until around 16 to 18 feet. Past that, the flex makes it harder to control on the glass. Hybrid and fiberglass are your in-between poles. They add strength and rigidity compared to aluminum, meaning they're tougher, and that makes them useful when you want a little more control, where aluminum just won't cut it. And carbon fiber sits at the top. They have a higher price tag, but they're the lightest and most rigid extension poles, with little to no flex at working height, unlike an aluminum pole, which makes carbon fiber poles the most versatile option. As for height, the right pole is usually just a few feet taller than the highest window you need to reach. Another difference between poles is the locking mechanism. You've got twist locks, flip locks, and button locks. They all do the same job, but they feel different in use, so it comes down to personal preference. Pole tips also vary. Some are designed for pressure fit, and some lock on to your tools. Most are interchangeable, but some may require a pole tip adapter depending on what you're running. No matter the material, every pole benefits from a little maintenance. Wipe it down after use, store it somewhere clean and dry, and check the locks regularly so it stays reliable. Most importantly, safety is not optional. Before purchasing any extension pole, make sure you understand proper safety procedures. We offer free resources that cover essential safety guidelines. Check the links in the description. If you have any questions, our product specialists are available 24/7 for any questions and can help you get the right pole for the job. Check out all of our extension poles at windowcleaner.com.